doing JPSC 2016 previous year paper solution. So we'll start our solution from question number 41 to 60, and this will be a slightly tougher set because if you see JPSC syllabus, they talked about CNT Act, that is Chota Nagpur Tenancy Act, and SPT, that is Santhal Pragna Tenancy Act, and they're gonna ask 5 questions from each of these acts. So, and this is kind of tough actually. So but I am planning to do a separate video for CNT as well as SPT. I'll try to cover as much as possible, but for today's exercise we'll just see what is the question and what is the answer. We'll not discuss in detail. We'll discuss in detail in the separate video. Okay, so let's start. So the question is, under section, which section, let me give the answer directly. Under section 9, so this is like under section 9. Okay, it's not working, I don't know why. Okay, yeah, no, okay, so sorry. Under section 9 of the Santhal Pragna Act 1949, a land which is not recorded as such shall be recorded or treated as Mool Raiyat ki Jote, private holding. So you should know Mool Raiyat ki Jote is meaning private holding, and Mool Raiyat Jote official holding. Okay, so this is based on section 9. Okay, let's move to the next question. So even if you don't understand this thing now, just it's okay not to understand it, because हम लोग डिटेल में करेंगे what is मूल रैयत के जोते and all in separate video. ठीक है? So let's move to the next slide. According to section 33 of Santhal Pragna Act, Tenancy Act 1949, settlement of waste land is liable to set aside if not cultivated within 5 years. So अगर आप 5 साल तक वो खेत को ना, if you are not जोत नहीं रहे, तो फिर it can be settlement of waste land is liable to be set aside. Then settlement of wasteland ना शायद वो ये set aside कर दिया जाएगा. Okay, so let's move ahead with this. Answer is obviously 5 years. Okay, this is good question. If you see under section 22 of Santhal Pragna Act, so section 22 of Santhal Pragna Act, in Tenancy Act 1949, a Raiyat may make over his holding temporarily on trust for cultivation to a Raiyat after notifying the SDO and headman or Mool Raiyat in the following circumstance. अगर एक Raiyat is not doing anything in his land, so temporarily, और तो वो अपने SDO और headman को and headman और मूल रैयत को बोल के दे सकता है, लेकिन उसके लिए कंडीशन क्या क्या है, मतलब वो अगर क्या नहीं कर रहा है तो किसी दूसरे को दे सकता है. सो द फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज हिज टेम्प्रोरी एब्सेंस फ्रॉम विलेज. अगर वो विलेज में नहीं है तब भी ही कैन गिव इट टू सम अदर गाय. लॉस ऑफ प्लॉ कैटल, देन ऑल्सो ही कैन गिव. द रैयत बीइंग विडो माइनर, देन ऑल्सो गिव. सो आंसर विल बी ऑल ऑफ दिस. So all of this is the answer. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Okay, this question will be easy and I guess you people will be knowing this. Land Acquisition and Rehabilitation Resettlement Bill 2013, which was brought by Congress government, I guess, and according to this act, it stipulated mandatorily consent on how much people in public private partnership. ठीक है, तो it's all about if 75% of the people consent, yes, you can go with the project, then land acquisition is acceptable, then government will accept the land acquisition. So the answer is 70%. So let's move to the next question. The landowner under Land Acquisition Rehabilitation Resettlement Act 2000 means who is the landowner? So the land owner कौन है Land Acquisition Rehabilitation Resettlement Act 2000? So answer will be all of this. The person whose name is recorded in the honor of land, person who is granted forest right under the Forest Right Act, the person who is entitled to be granted patta right. Okay, so you can see there is CNT, there is SPT, and there is some sort of, even they are asking questions from Land Acquisition and Rehabilitation and Resettlement Act 2013. Okay, let's talk about Chiriya located in West Singhbhum is famous for what? This is very important question, a very good question actually. If you see the name Chiriya, it seems like it's a bird sanctuary. No, but it's not a bird sanctuary. It's actually iron ore mining. So if you see, Chiriya is a census town in Paschim Singhbhum district, and it's a state of Jharkhand, India. And you know, India's largest iron ore mine with reserve of 2000 million ton of iron ore is located here. The mine is operated by Steel Authority of India Limited. So even some say कि वर्ल्ड में सबसे ज़्यादा सबसे बड़ा माइन जिसमें आयरन ओर है यहीं पे चिड़िया. सो दिस इज ए इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Which district is largest producer of lah in Jharkhand? Answer is Ranchi. If you know, in Ranchi there is a lah institute also, Central Lah Institute, I guess. And so this because they do research in lah lah in that institute. So for this question, answer is Ranchi. Okay. Okay, per capita forest and tree cover in Jharkhand is 0.08 hectare. Per capita will deal with this in the forest section when we'll do the forest section. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. Okay, Shahid Nirmal Mahto Park included in Jhar Park program in Jharkhand is located in which district? This is a very good question. Shahid Nirmal Mahto Park is actually located in Hazaribagh. Nirmal Mahto, who was Nirmal Mahto? You should comment on the comment section. Okay. Raj Rappa is situated in the confluence of which river? The answer will be Raj Rappa is a waterfall and pilgrim center of Ramgarh district of Indian state. First of all, we should know Raj Rappa is in Ramgarh. R for Raj Rappa, R for Ramgarh, and is a confluence of Damodar and Bhairavi. And Bhairavi को भेरा भी बोला जाता है. So answer is A. And the most important attraction is Chinnamastake temple. And this temple, the god has no head. You know, the Chinnamaste which stand on the body of Kamdev and Rati in the lotus bed. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Okay, again this is I guess CNT. As CNT is Chota Nagpur Tenancy Act. Section 71A of Chota Nagpur Tenancy Act 1908, which provide power to restore possession to member of scheduled tribe over land unlawfully transferred, has been inserted by which law? Actually, if you see, it is inserted by the Bihar Scheduled Area Regulation Act 1969. Okay, let's do again CNT. This will be second question. Under CNT Act 1908, remember this 1908, a female Khoot Khatidar is, who is the female Khoot Khatidar? Khoot Khatidar is excluded from inheritance right. If you are a female, then according to Chota Nagpur Tenancy Act, you are not liable, you'll not get the ancestral property. So you are excluded from inheritance right on ancestral property. Okay, next, the term Bhunihari tenure is defined in Chota Nagpur Tenure Act 1869 include. Okay, so the answer will be Bhutkheta, not all of this. So we'll do this Buniari tenure. What is this? We'll do in the separate video. Don't worry about that. Under Santhal Pragna Tenancy Act 1969, Khas village means village in which there is. Okay. So what is the question? Under Santhal Pragna Tenancy Act 1969, the Khas village means a village. So which type of village is Khas village? So the answer for this will be both A and B. There is no Mool Rayat and there is no headman. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Under Santhal Pragna Tenancy Act, again Santhal Pragna, they have asked so many Santhal Pragna Tenancy Act 1949. A village headman office is non-transferable. If you are a village headman, your office is not transferable. Okay. Okay, this is good question. Chau mascot of 34th national game held in 2011 is what? Look, 2011 mascot game, 2011 national game held in Ranchi, and this was 34th national game. And at that time, if you see, the mascot was baby deer. You can see the deer, right? And the name was Chau. Okay, the first Jharkhand woman to scale Mount Everest is Premlata Agarwal, though she is born in Darjeeling, I guess. I'm not very sure, but she is born in Darjeeling. But she worked in Tata Steel, and she worked also under Bachendri Pal. I mean, she got training from Bachendri Pal. But Premlata Agarwal scaled Mount Everest she's from Jharkhand. So answer is Premlata Agarwal. Okay, Mohan Kumar Mangalam Stadium is located in which place? It's located in Bokaro. Uh, this is also the stadium for SAIL, where they conduct football. I mean, explicit stadium for SAIL, for football stadium. This is football stadium for SAIL. Okay, this is again which act? Chota Nagpur Tenancy Act. Restriction on the transfer of scheduled tribe backward class uh, scheduled caste land is provided under section 46 of Chota Nagpur Tenancy Act. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. A time bar for ejectment under section 46. So section 46 is actually kind of important question, section. Is dash year after the year, that is after expiry of said period, the transferee will perfect his title over transfer land by adverse possession. So this is a 12 year. So these are tough question, and this need a proper explanation, which I'm gonna do in separate video when I'll create. So guys, bye bye. We'll meet again. Happy learning.